Good afternoon, friends. In the earlier video, we were discussing about senior citizen and Sukanya Samriddhi account. So let us very quickly move to MIS, monthly income scheme. The minimum amount to be deposited in MIS account is rupees 1000. Remember this. What is the maximum amount to be deposited in a MIS account? In a single account holder, 9 lakhs. In a joint account of MIS, what is the limit? This is 15 lakhs. From which date this revision of 9 lakhs and 15 lakhs has been made? It has been made in SB order number 7/23 with effect from 31st March 2023. So single account limit 9 lakhs, joint account limit 15 lakhs. Whether withdrawal is permitted in MIS account? Important. No withdrawal is permitted. No withdrawal is permitted in MIS account. Then come to premature. It is a single इन्वेस्टमेंट, सिंगल डिपॉजिट होता है, बीच में सब्सिक्वेंट नहीं हो पाएगा. एक बार आपको खोलना है, फिर प्रीमैच्योर क्लोजर नहीं तो क्लोज करना है. नो विथड्रॉल इज अलाउड इन MIS अकाउंट. इम्पोर्टेंट. वेदर व्हाट इज द पीरियोडिसिटी फॉर मेकिंग प्रीमैच्योर क्लोजर इन MIS अकाउंट? 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. If all these options are there, PMC premature closure in MIS account is admissible, permitted after 1 year of opening of the account. So इसी में आपका चार्ज जो है ऑप्शन का आंसर ठीक है. 1 year भी हो सकता है, 2 साल का बाद भी हो सकता है. If the account, this is premature closure. If the account is closed before 3 years, 5 साल का टर्म है MIS का. If the account is closed before 3 years, 2% of the deposit amount will be deducted. If the account is closed before 3 years, ये क्वेश्चन आता है, बीच बीच में वो आता है. If it is closed before 3 years, then 2% of deposit amount will be deducted. इसमें लॉस, थोड़ा सा लॉस हो जाता है. If the account is closed after 3 years, then 1% of the deposit amount will be deducted. So इसी में क्रूशियल जो इसमें जो क्वेश्चन हम प्रोबेबल सोचते हैं, that is the single account limit 9 lakhs, joint account limit 15 lakhs. No withdrawal is permitted. No withdrawal is permitted, and maturity period is 5 years. And after 3 years, if it is closed, 1% of deposit amount will be recovered. If it is closed, premature closure is allowed after 1 year. If closed before 3 years, 2% of deposit amount will be deducted. If closed after 3 years, 1% of the deposit amount will be deducted. ऐसे क्वेश्चन आता है. One MIS account is closed before 3 years and another is closed after 3 years. Then what amount will be deducted? What is the percentage of amount, deposit amount will be deducted? The answer is 2% and 1%. Please remember this. This may also come. Now come to KVP, किसान विकास पत्र. किसान विकास पत्र KVP, as you know, KVP-A अभी अकाउंट हो गया. पहले वो सर्टिफिकेट जैसा इसको इशू हम करते थे, So here is a question. From which date the KBP is issued in form of a passbook? Answer is 10 जुलाई 2016. 10/7/2016 का बाद ये पासबुक फॉर्मेट में दिया जाता है. What is the minimum amount? All you know, 1000 and multiple of 100, and unlimited amount can be deposited. Whether premature closure is allowed in KBP, Kisan Vikas Patra? Yes, it is allowed. What is the periodicity of allowing premature closure of a KBP? 2 years 6 months. Please remember this. It may come in the examination point of view, because these are considered to be vital points. Then please consider and tell what is the whether the maturity period of a KBP जब डबल होता है, ये आपका कांस्टेंट होता है, ये कांस्टेंट इट नेवर रिमेन्स इन कांस्टेंट, याद रखो. ये क्वार्टरली फिक्स होता है. अभी जो फिक्स हुआ है टिल 30 सितंबर, 9 years 7 months इज द मैच्योरिटी पीरियड. ये भी कभी कभी क्वेश्चन में आ जाता है. 9 years 7 months KBP आपका ये 5 साल का टर्म है. KBP KBP will be for 9 years and 7 months. It varies basing on the decision of the government. कभी ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. करेंट पीरियड जो है, अभी जो नोटिफिकेशन हुआ है फ्रॉम जुलाई 2025 to 30th September, the period has been noted as 9 years and 7 months. NSC, National Saving Certificate. What is the term of NSC? The term of NSC is 5 years. वही सिंपल KBP जो है NSC भी वही भी है. 1000 रुपीज़ और मल्टीपल में खोला जा सकता है. इसी में एक क्रिटिकल असेसमेंट होता है. In KBP, after 2 years and 6 months, premature closure is allowed. But in NSC, 5-year NSC, 8th issue, no premature closure is allowed. ये अलाउ होगा इन सर्टन सर्कमस्टांसेस. जब डेथ हो जाता है अलाउ होता है. कोई लोन लिया है, उनका जो प्लेज किया है on forfeiture of the pledgee by a gazetted officer, or when there is a specific order from the court of law. ये क्वेश्चन आता है. What are the conditions when NSC can be prematurely closed? The options are death, on forfeiture by a pledgee being a gazetted officer, when a specific order from the court. 3 options are correct. Accordingly, please remember this. Normally there is no PMC. In the special circumstances, in 3 cases premature closure will be allowed. जो डिपॉजिट होता है, डिपॉजिट क्वालिफाइज फॉर टैक्स रिबेट अंडर व्हिच सेक्शन? अंडर 80C ऑफ द इनकम टैक्स एक्ट. NSC KBP का ये सिंपल आता है. इसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट का सीलिंग जो है अपर लिमिट नहीं है. मिनिमम 1000 में होता है और 100 रुपये का मल्टीपल में होता है. सो लेट अस डिस्कस समथिंग अबाउट द वेरियस अदर स्कीम्स. आपका PM केयर्स, please refer my book and India Post site. But here one question: the unthought lump sum contribution of this PM cares is 10 lakhs. Another thing I am telling to you, it may come when the PM Care scheme was introduced. It was introduced from 6th October 2021. Next came to Jana Suraksha scheme like PMJJY, Jivan Jyoti Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jivan Jyoti Yojana. Then what is the insurance limit? 2 lakhs. Death due to any cause. Please remember this. PMJJY, death due to any cause. What is the minimum? What is the annual premium of a PMJJY? Rupees 436. Who can be enrolled? What are the age group that can be enrolled in PMJJY? 18 to 50 years. This question comes. So 2 lakhs, here it is 2 lakhs for death due to any cause. Remember this. एनरोलमेंट 18 से 50 साल में होगा. प्रीमियम कभी क्वेश्चन आता है 436. देन नेक्स्ट जन सुरक्षा स्कीम, you are very much familiar with this. PMSBY, because I have done one PMSBY. You should also do PMSBY. Premium is 20 rupees. Yearly premium is 20 rupees. You imagine how what a fantastic, wonderful scheme. आपका 2 लाख का होता है. Premium is rupees 20. Here there is a classification of age group, that is 18 to 70 years में एनरोलमेंट होता है. और आपका बट द डेथ शुड बी इन ए एक्सीडेंटल नेचर. वो जो पहले वाला PMJJY था वो था एनी काइंड ऑफ डेथ नेचर. इसमें सो PMSBY इज ए एक्सीडेंटल इंश्योरेंस स्कीम. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस. इसमें 1 लाख 2 लाख का क्लासिफिकेशन हो जाता है. अनदर स्कीम इज APY, अटल पेंशन योजना. एनरोलमेंट शेड्यूल एज 18 to 40 years. Pension will start on attaining the age of 60 years. इसमें पीरियड ऑफ मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन इज 20 years. 40 साल का एनरोलमेंट हुआ, 20 साल दिया, 60 साल हो गया, फिर उनको पेंशन शुरू होगा. इसमें जो वेरियस थिंग एनरोलमेंट होता है, उनका शेड्यूल रखना, उनका क्या अकाउंट्स रखना, इसी में डिपार्टमेंट पोस्ट का एक नोडल ऑफिस HO है. देन क्वेश्चन, which is the nodal office of Department of Post for APY? The answer is Sansad Mark HO. So in this video we discussed about KVP, NSC and other things. So I think in a nutshell we have discussed all the topics relating to banking. So please go through the videos. Next video I will go for insurance. That will be uploaded very shortly. Please view the video. So important question, PM Care was introduced on 6/10/2021 and the upfront lump sum contribution is 10 lakhs. NSC, no premature closure. KVP, premature closure after 2 years and 6 months. Basing on various circumstances, special circumstances due to death, on forfeiture of a pledgee, and when a specific court order, that NSC can be closed. Please remember this. And senior citizen maximum limit is 30 lakhs, and in MIS, in single account, it is 9 lakhs and 15 lakhs. This is all about banking. All the schemes of banking, POSB and others are coming under which menu of India Post site? This may be a question. That is banking and remittance. Please remember this. ये कभी कभी क्वेश्चन आ जाता है आपको इंडिया पोस्ट साइट में, क्योंकि सिलेबस में लिखा हुआ है इन प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज अवेलेबल इन इंडिया पोस्ट साइट. एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन द बुक. पोस्ट कार्ड इज ऑल्सो ए प्रोडक्ट. इसका साइज भी कभी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. क्या उनका बोलते हैं उनका वोट भी आ सकता है, जैसे 5 ग्राम है. ज्ञानो पोस्ट एक प्रोडक्ट है, वो भी आ सकता है. इंश्योरेंस एक प्रोडक्ट है, PLI भी एक प्रोडक्ट है, जनरल इंश्योरेंस एक प्रोडक्ट है. सभी को देखना है. इसमें शायद आपका 10 मार्क्स आता है पोस्टमैन MTS और PASA का. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट बैंकिंग एंड रेमिटेंसेस. थैंक यू. प्लीज व्यू द वीडियो, like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you again. I have some publication with me. I will be happy if you will take it. So have a good day and again without pressure prepare the examination. Take the pleasure without pressure. Definitely success will be there. Thank you and thank you for watching. Thanks.